Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change default PDF viewer on any Android. So let's get started. First thing first, you must know that what is the default PDF viewer of your mobile. In my case it is the Google Drive app. Now I will show you how to change it. First thing first, open settings, then go to apps, then find the Google Drive app, then click on it. Then you will see this default section. Click on it, then click on clear defaults. Then close this app, then open the files app, then go to docs. And now when you click on the PDF, it will ask with which app you want to open the PDF. So now I will select this app and then click on always. As you can see that it is opened. And that's how you change default PDF viewer on any Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.